Hello, welcome to another Outway support video. Today we are going to go over our folders, which is a new feature in our latest web update. We want to make sure we walk you through how to create and edit these folders, and just a disclaimer, this will be changing in the future, but we want to make sure you have the support to use them now the way they are. Okay, so starting off, you're going to open Outway onto your home page, and you'll see the map, and you'll see the new update with the layout on the side. Your menu is on the side now, and the way you're going to get to these folders is by going to the Libraries tab, so we'll click on that. Here you'll see you have either a list or folder option on how you want to view these. You can expand and collapse these folders. But let's say you want to go ahead and make a new one. You're going to press plus, and this is going to be creating a new library. So when you press the plus in the top corner, you'll be creating a new library, but this is how you're going to create a new folder. So again, this will be changing, but for now, you'll make the name of your library. Then you'll select your folder. If there's not one you want to use, you could create a new one. So let's say we want to get more specific and put plants. Then you're going to press create plants, and here you're going to add your description, your visibility, and your other permissions. And again, the description and the visibility, all of that is for this plant species library, and it's just categorized in a plant folder. So you don't have to put it in a folder, but this is how you make one if you want. You can add an icon. We'll pick this flower, and then you can add your properties to this library. So what happens if you want to change the name of your folder or edit it? You're going to go and press the edit button next to the category folder, and you can simply just change the name. So we'll maybe put flower for this one. You can press create, or you can select one of the other ones that you've already made. All right, so we'll create this new library and this folder, and I'm going to show you now how to change or delete a folder. So in our fire folder, we want to change this to community wildfire preparedness. So we only have one location in it, so we're just going to change the name of the folder here. So I'm going to go in and click on the fire mitigation tasks location, because that's the only location we have in this folder, and I'm going to change what folder that is in, which it previously was in fire, which you'll see when we edit. So I don't want this to be fire. I can click infrastructure, or I can just delete that and type in my new name of my new folder. This will replace fire. So if you don't have any libraries in the folder, it will be deleted. So we're going to rename this to community wildfire preparedness and create an update. And then when we go back to our folders, you're going to see that we no longer have a fire folder, but we have a community wildfire preparedness folder in its place. So again, this will be changing in the future, but for now, this is how you use folders and libraries. We hope this is helpful. We hope you're able to get a lot of use out of these folders. I know for us, we have a ton of different libraries, so it's great to stay organized, so it's easier to find what you need. But let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help, and let us know what videos you'd like to see next.